Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So a couple of weeks ago we have seen the Google Pixel 5 render show a design, and it's near identical the Google Pixel 4a, and the screen is around 5.8 to 5.8 inch. But now there is a live photo of the Google Pixel 5 surface. Could be the 5 Pixel 5s. As set of the Google Pixel 5 render revealed the design in full list weeks, so the live photo from today server more as a confirmation, but they also add the mystery surrounding the naming of Google upcoming smartphone. One of the photos show as about phone. As you can see, menu and the Pixel 5s moniker appears twice. The leak star also calls that the handset by this name, so there could be sudden change of the name when it's come to design. The rear mounted fingerprint reader, the punch hole design for the front facing camera, and the rear camera module are all confirmed. It might be too early to tell, but judging by the photo of the back panel, we might be looking at unbody chassis, and since there are no antenna lines inside, a plastic build is more likely. Last time leakers and rumors says the back is home is a squirrel camera island which is housed in extra lens next to its fingerprint reader. That's right, this year Google is going to budget route. This include the using Snapdragon 765G chipset instead of 800 series of chipset. The phone measure, a rumor says 144.7 by 70.4 by 8.1 millimeter, going up to 8.5 millimeter at the camera bump. These are almost exactly the same dimension as the Google Pixel 4a, and it has the Google Pixel 4a design, that 3.5mm headphone jack, the texture of the back based on the official teaser published by Google, same with the glossy power button. But one thing, I don't think that the Google is renaming the upcoming Google Pixel 5 to Google Pixel 5s, but it's possible that is the 5G version, and there will be calling the Google Pixel 5s, while the 4G version will be only Google Pixel 5. In any case, we will know for sure soon enough. The upcoming Google Pixel 5 is going to use an upper mid-range Snapdragon 765G to keep the cost down. According to the latest information, the handset is expected to cost $649 in the United States, and in Europe it's cost €629. So if you don't want to spend over $1,000 on the phone while wanting the best computational photography, then the Google Pixel 5 is not a bad deal. So that's it for the upcoming Google Pixel 5 detail. Let's see in upcoming days when the phone launching, we will make a separate complete video of specification and future. So make sure to subscribe our channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.